Welcome to Dad English. I am Grace.
And I am Antony. Today, we are learning how to stop being broke.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to build the habit of learning with us.
Grace, do I look like a tycoon? I made this suit out of silver duct tape.
You look like a baked potato wrapped in foil.
But I am saving money on clothes. Isn't that how the rich stay rich?
No, Antony, being cheap is not the same as being wealthy. Take it off.
Grace, why does my money vanish? It disappears like a ghost every month.
It is not a ghost. It is called lifestyle creep.
Is that a scary monster?
It means as soon as you earn more, you spend more. You are running on a treadmill.
But I only buy essentials, like this inflatable flamingo.
Antony, is a plastic bird essential for survival?
Yes, it supports my emotional health. It is a therapy bird.
That is called emotional spending. You're buying feelings, not things.
Grace, how do I stop the money ghost?
You need to track your spending using Kakeibo.
Is that a math test? I hate math.
No, it is the Japanese art of writing down what you buy. Awareness stops the leak.
Okay. Item 1, coffee. Item 2, donut. Item 3, another donut.
I think we found the ghost. The ghost is a donut.
I am eating my own wealth.
Your retirement fund is in your stomach.
Grace, what is a budget? Is it a punishment for having fun?
No, a budget is just telling your money where to go.
Can I tell my money to go to the candy store?
Only a little bit. Use the 50-30-20 rule.
Is that a locker combination?
50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings.
So the flamingo goes in the 30% bucket?
Exactly. If the bucket is full, no more flamingos.
I like buckets. Buckets are easy to understand. Grace, I have a confession. I am afraid to check my bank account.
That is the ostrich effect. You bury your head in the sand.
If I don't see the red numbers, they can't hurt me.
The numbers hurt you whether you look or not. Open the app.
Ah, it hurts. It is so red.
It is red because you bought the duct tape suit. Now we fix it.
Grace, I need this latte. It is my life juice.
That is $5. If you buy one every day, that is $1,800 a year.
$1,800? That is a plane ticket to Hawaii.
That is the Latte Factor. Small leaks sink big ships.
Grace, I want this blue shirt, but I also want the red shirt. Help!
Use the 24-hour rule. Wait one day before buying it.
But I want the dopamine now.
If you still want it tomorrow, buy it. Usually the feeling fades.
Grace, look, this $1,000 TV was on sale for $500. I saved $500.
No, you spent $500.
But the math, I saved money.
You only save money if you keep it in your pocket. Marketing tricked you.
Antony, I have no money left.
Antony, why do you have a subscription to Cat Wig Monthly? You don't have a cat.
I forgot to cancel the free trial 3 years ago.
Subscriptions are vampires. They suck your wallet dry while you sleep.
Grace, why did you buy store-brand cereal? Is it made of sawdust?
No, it is the exact same food, just a different box.
I only eat fancy cereal. The mascot wears a top hat.
You are paying $2 extra for the mascot's hat.
I went grocery shopping. I bought 5 cakes and a lobster.
Did you go shopping while you were hungry?
I was starving. Everything looked beautiful.
Rule: never shop hungry. Your stomach makes terrible financial decisions.
Grace, I bought 5,000 eggs. It was a bulk deal.
Antony, eggs expire. You cannot eat 5,000 eggs.
I will make a giant omelet. I will live in the omelet.
Sigh. Buying too much is not saving. It is waste.
Happy! Grace, look at this plastic card. It is free money.
No, it is a loan with 20% interest.
Interest is a problem for future Antony. Present Antony wants pizza.
Strict. Future Antony is going to hate you. Pay it off every month.
Proud. Grace, I checked my credit score. It is 100. I got a perfect score.
Sad. Antony, credit scores go up to 850. 100 is terrible.
It is not like a school test.
No, the bank thinks you are a risky ghost.
I have debt. It feels like a heavy backpack.
Use the snowball method. Pay the smallest debt first.
Why the smallest?
Because getting a quick win makes you feel strong. Psychology matters.
Grace, can I borrow $20? I will pay you back in the year 2050.
No, never lend money to friends unless it is a gift.
Why? I am trustworthy.
Debt ruins friendships. I would rather keep you as a friend than lose $20.
Grace, why is this apple $2? It used to be a nickel.
That is inflation, the invisible robber.
I will fight the robber. Where is he?
You fight him by investing. Cash loses value. Assets gain value.
Grace, give me the secret code to wealth.
Simple. Compound interest. Money-making babies.
Money babies? Do they need diapers?
No, they just need time. Start early and wait.
I am late. I didn't start early.
The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today.
I am planting the tree right now. Here is $5. Grace, I bought crypto banana coin. It is going to the moon.
That is gambling, not investing.
What is the difference?
Investing is boring and slow. Gambling is exciting and risky. If it is exciting, you are doing it wrong.
Grace, the market line went down. I lost money. Sell everything.
Stop. Do not sell. It is just a roller coaster.
I want to get off the roller coaster.
You only get hurt if you jump off while it is moving. Stay seated.
I put all my money into one company that makes left-handed scissors.
That is dangerous. You put all your eggs in one basket.
It is a very strong basket.
Buy the whole market. Index funds. Own a piece of everything.
Grace, I have a business idea. I will sell used toothpicks.
That is a terrible side hustle.
It is eco-friendly.
Solve a real problem. Walk dogs, mow lawns. Don't sell trash.
Grace, I want more money at work, but I am scared to ask.
You have to negotiate. They won't just give it to you.
Please, sir, can I have some more?
No. Show your value. List your achievements. Be confident.
I am eating gross food. This sandwich tastes like old shoes. But I spent $10, so I must finish it.
That is the sunk cost fallacy.
But the money!
The money is gone. Eating the bad sandwich just adds a stomachache to the loss. Throw it away.
I drove 40 minutes to save $1 on gas.
You spent $3 on gas to get there and an hour of your time.
So I actually paid to waste my time?
Always calculate the opportunity cost.
Grace, what if my car explodes? What if bears attack my house?
You need an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses.
Bears are expensive. I need a lot of money.
It turns a disaster into just an inconvenience.
Why do I pay for insurance? I am not sick. I am wasting money.
You are paying for peace of mind.
I don't need peace. I need cash.
One accident could bankrupt you. Keep the insurance.
Grace, look at my paycheck. Who is FICA, and why did he take my money?
That is taxes, Antony. Roads, schools, firefighters.
Can I unsubscribe from the roads? I will walk.
It is mandatory membership to civilization.
Grace, what is net worth?
Assets minus liabilities. What you own minus what you owe.
I own a flamingo, and I owe the library. My net worth is a negative flamingo.
We can work on that.
Saving is hard. I forget to move the money.
Automated. Make the robots do it on payday.
I love robots. They are responsible.
If you don't see the money, you won't spend it.
Grace, I want to buy a castle. Renting is throwing money away.
Not always. Renting buys you flexibility. Buying costs repairs.
But the castle has a moat.
Moat maintenance is very expensive.
Grace, I have to work until I am 100 years old.
Not if you join the FIRE movement. Financial independence, retire early.
I can retire next week?
If you save 70% of your income, can you do that?
The flamingo says no. Look at that guy in the Ferrari. He is rich.
He has high income. Wealth is what you don't see.
Invisible money?
Wealth is money saved, not money spent. He might be broke.
Everyone on Instagram is on a yacht. I am on a bus.
Stop comparing your behind the scenes to their highlight reel.
Maybe they rented the yacht for 5 minutes.
And maybe they are seasick. Stay in your lane.
I want more stuff.
He who is not satisfied with the little is satisfied with nothing. Epicurus.
That is deep. Maybe I have enough.
Contentment is a superpower.
I am saving every penny. I will never give anything away.
Don't be a Scrooge. Generosity makes you happier than buying stuff.
Giving money away makes me rich?
Rich in spirit, and it breaks the grip of greed.
Grace, what is the goal? Is it a pile of gold?
The goal is freedom, the ability to say no to things you hate.
I can say no to alarm clocks?
Yes, that is true wealth.
So, frugal buys value, cheap buys misery.
You are learning.
I will buy the good cheese, but I will eat it slowly.
Perfect balance.
Money is just a hammer, right, Grace?
Yes. Don't hit your thumb. Build a house.
I think I built a disaster.
Take it off, Antony.
I am ready. I will track, save, and invest.
I believe in you.
Can the flamingo be my financial advisor?
No.
Stop being broke. Start tracking your donuts.
And please like and subscribe. It is free.
$0 investment, infinite return.
See you in the next episode.
Bye. Does anyone want to buy some used duct tape?
Just wave, Antony.